Hello, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and this is the vehicle presentation of this approved used Audi A3 Saloon S-Line 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic automatic transmission. This particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give this vehicle that standout appearance. And with this being an approved used vehicle, it does come with 12 months minimum warranty and 12 months minimum roadside assistance. Looking at the exterior features now, this has been the S-Line trim level. It does mean that this A3 is upgraded styling at the front, rear and also at the side. The S-Line trim does also include the chrome badging. Looking towards the front now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these fantastic 18-inch 5-arm dynamic design satin silver alloys, and they do really complement that lovely dark grey metallic paint. To the side of this A3 now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, whilst continuing this overall black and grey theme, and it does keep those valuable items in the rear also from view. Moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon now, where we do find up to 425 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, you do get a leather centre armrest, which does house 2 useful cup holders, and there's also more than enough leg space in the rear to accommodate 3 occupants. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and laid out cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, aluminium and Alcantara. This being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional full leather seats with the additional white stitching and S logos. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, which is featured in 2 digital rev counters, and the screen can also be adjusted to view your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which is featured the satellite navigation, as well as having access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we do find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both the passengers. To the screen above once again now, we find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which just makes A3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So this has been the presentation of this Audi A3 Saloon S-Line 35 TFSI. This vehicle is available at Stafford Audi. For more information, do contact our sales team.